So we got these after our old oven mitts were so worn down that my stepmom had burnt herself using them. Kind of an emergency order, but I got them like the next day, really fast, really fair price. I got the larger size due to the fact that my father has much larger hands than my stepmom or myself. As you can see, I have very small hands. Now I got some bananas because it's a traditional banana for scale, but I also got a like a soda or pop can. Well, it's an iced tea, but to compare for size. So yes, they are massive, but the thing is that even though they are quite large, they are comfortable, right? And even though my fingers will bend, they don't reach the tips, they still work very well. The inside is a very soft kind of fabric. The silicone is high grade and very good for heat resistance. We've not had to clean them yet because we don't typically get them dirty, but I've washed silicone before, very easy to clean. Overall, great purchase, very much worth the price. If you're gonna buy a pair, my base of rule for like oven mitts is better to go a little larger than you think you'll need, because, you know, at least you can still use it if it's too big. If it's too small, you're gonna have trouble using them. But yeah, and speaking on the inside, I am neurodivergent, so I'm very particular when it comes to certain textures and the feeling of certain things, and because of that, I will avoid certain textures because of sensory overload issues. These do not bother me at all. They're soft, they're comfortable. Overall, great purchase. I got the larger ones. I'm rambling again, but yeah, definitely a something I would suggest if anyone needs gloves like these. So yeah.
Okay, I have big hands, but they do fit nice in there. As you can see, I've been using them already. But when you want to grab a utensil, it's hard to get in there and use them. Now, trying to pick this thing up. The brush, you're going to go to where the rubber end is to do that. But yeah, I find them very hard to use, but they are good for heat resistance. But that's about it. Yeah, just too clumsy for me, anyway.